want tomato sauce? I'll put some cheese. Cheese. Okay. Now we'll put lettuce on there.
Is that lettuce?
Broccoli. I'm gonna do tomatoes. Tomatoes now. Mushrooms. I'm gonna do onions. I'm gonna do aloes now. Do aloes. I'm gonna do pepperoni. I'm gonna do colorful peppers. Yellow. Okay, red. And this orange. Green. One more thing. Bugs. Grasshopper. That's a hopper. The spiders. We'll put them on the yellow one. It's yellow moth. The bugs go eat them. One for you to eat. One for you to eat. Premier food. That's an ant. He eats this. The ant. This is a look. It's too like this. You see it? You're about to eat it. The spider's about to eat it. Dragonfly. The spider's about to eat it. It's all done. Okay, well, give me some. A pizza box. Stop bug yagging. Stop bug yagging. Come on, you bugs. Let me get pizza today. Pizza! Hey. Why? Daddy, that's... Uh-oh, Daddy. Daddy, uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's okay. That's okay. Hold on. Hold on. Daddy, fix it for me. Tomatoes on it. Tomatoes. No, not tomatoes. I'm in. And I put that one on too. Pepperoni. She got some on. Guys. Okay, I'm gonna get down. Olive. Baki. I got something for you, Lisa. No! dinosaurs. So yummy. Yeah, so tasty. Tea. Pepperoni. That's pepperoni. That looks tasty. So yummy for you. I need to pee, Daddy. That's mushrooms. That's my pistol pizza. Bring me some pizza. Yellow. Wow. I need another one. The pizza was very good.